Welcome to Attention Brain and Cognition Lab, led by Dr. Jenny Xiao. Our lab focused on research in cognitive science through interdisciplinary approaches, including computational modeling and behavioral eye movement and brainwave measures. In particular, we investigate perceptual expertise acquisition, such as face recognition, facial expression recognition, word recognition, and reading. We examine universal principles and specific factors that modulate perceptual expertise acquisition, including different learning methods, age, cognitive abilities, and expertise in some other domains such as music and arts. Our lab has three main research focuses in perceptual expertise: brain and perceptual asymmetry, perceptual representation development, and information extraction through eye movements. In brain and perceptual asymmetry research, we have developed computational models to account for brain asymmetry effects in face recognition, English words and Chinese character recognition, bilingual visual word processing, and local global attention. We also conduct experimental studies of brain asymmetry covering various topics, including the processing of faces, music notations, how English and Chinese reading experiences influence each other, and how music expertise influence word processing. This research has been published in top academic journals including Brain and Language, Cognition, and Journal of Cognitive Neuroscience. In perceptual representation development, we investigate behavioral markers of expertise including holistic processing and right hemisphere lateralization. We have found that during perceptual expertise acquisition, the holistic processing effects will initially increase due to visual experience, followed by a decrease due to sensory-motor or writing experience. We have also examined the relationship between holistic processing and right hemisphere lateralization. Through both neural network modeling and experimental studies comparing face and Chinese character recognition and comparing typically developing versus dyslexia readers. These discoveries were published in top journals including Psychological Science, Neurocomputing, and Psychonomic Bulletin Review. In information extraction through eye movements, we have developed the eye movement analysis with hidden Markov model methods with Dr. Anthony Chen in computer science at City University of Hong Kong to provide quantitative measures of individual eye movement patterns using both spatial and temporal dimensions. With EMHMM, we have had several novel research findings not discoverable by traditional methods. For example, we have discovered nose-focused and eyes-nose eye movement patterns in face recognition across cultures. The eyes-nose pattern is associated with better performance, whereas the nose-focused pattern is associated with decline in cognitive functions in older adults. Individuals have person-specific eye movement patterns for face processing unaffected by real-time mood changes. People with sleep loss misidentify angry faces as fearful because they tend to miss the eye region. In education, we found better comprehension when using a more centralized eye movement pattern in viewing documentary videos. We continue to perfect this tool for different visual tasks, including using eye movement analysis with switching HMMs and EMHMM with co-clustering. EMHMM-related findings have been published in high-profile journals across different fields, including behavioral research methods, emotion, and sleep. We have developed an EMHMM Matlab toolbox publicly available at this website. Significantly, EMHMM was featured as a half-day tutorial talk at the annual meeting of the Cognitive Science Society 2019 in Montreal, with attendees from top universities all over the world. Our lab also engages actively in knowledge exchange activities with the public. For example, we host lab visits for high school students. We have also been organizing face camp activities to teach children about face recognition and eye tracking research through game. More information can be found on our face camp website. We hope you enjoy our virtual lab tour. If you are interested in knowing more about our research or participating in our knowledge exchange activities such as face camp, please feel free to contact us or visit our lab website. Thank you.